Tom Petty, Breakdown, Mike Campbell, total genius. Very nice lick. I'm going to bring you into the left hand and show you what's happening. Oh, Miles is here. What's up, Miles? Okay. We're going to start at the 10th fret of the B string and slide down. I like starting on my first finger and sliding from the 10th fret of the B string to the 8th fret, and then hammering on with the third finger like that. Now from there you can either play with your second finger at the 9th fret of the G string, so you go like so, or you can just cut to the chase and use your first finger so that you can slide again. Oops, I got ahead of myself. So this whole first lick is going to look like that. So 1, 3, 1. And then you're going to do the same thing. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3. And then here I do 2. So slide from the 10 to the 8. And then hammer on at the 10. Slide from on the G string now from 9 to 7. 7. Hammer on at 9. First finger at 7. Slide from 7 to 5. Hammer on at 7 on the D string. And then second finger at the 7th fret of the A string. Like so. I'm going to do... So, oh, that part. Hold on a second. Somebody came for a visit. Meow. Hi. This is a guy, you know, this is what pays for all we do here at Jam Class, so. Okay. Okay. So groovy. So I slide down from the 7 to the 5 on the 4th string on the D string, and then I hammer on at 7, and then I just play at the 7th fret with my second finger. You could do it with your third finger if you like, but I like doing it from the third to second finger like that. And then we come up and play some Chuck Berry style licks. So what we're going to do is bar your first finger at the 5th fret of the B and E strings. And I like to drag the pick across the top 3 strings like that. Like just a little rake across those 3 strings. But... And then you play at the 8th fret of the B string. Mike Campbell's huge and tall, so I think he uses his third finger there, but you can use your third or 4th finger. Like so. And a little bit, just a tiny little bend. Not even a half step, not even a quarter tone. You're just intonating that string, so it's... And then a little shake, a little vibrato. Oh, sorry. And then you play across the G and B strings. So first it's B and E on the at the 5th fret, and then G and B at the 5th, and then at the 7th fret of the G, and then pull off from the 7 to 5. One second, I'll just do the whole thing, and then we'll break it all down for you. That's that. 5, 8, back to the 5, 5 on the G and B, 7 on the G, pull off, 7 on the D. A little better angle. So all together, let me do the whole thing and then I'll... Oh, I forgot the most important part at the beginning. Awesome. Bar your first finger at the 8th fret of the B and E strings, the first and second strings, and then play the first string, and then the second string at the 10th fret with your third finger, and then pull off from the 10th to the 8th. Hold on one second. High, short, stop. And then the middle finger at the G string at the 9th fret. And then back to the second string. 8 and 10. So 8, 10, pull off to 8, 9 on the G string, 8 on the B string, 10 on the B string.